Before you begin, remove the rubber feet. Removal. Remove the 6 long P1 Phillips head screws on the bottom of the unit. Starting at the side of the unit, carefully pry the top cover off of the unit. Note, this can be difficult. Lay the top cover to the side of the unit without stressing the lighting ribbon cable connected to the cover. Many system components can be serviced in this position. If you are fully removing the top cover from the unit, detach the lighting ribbon cable from the top cover to fully remove the top cover from the unit. Replacement. There are several tabs around the inner edge of the top cover that snap over an inner lip on the chassis. To replace the top cover, if it has been fully removed, first insert the lighting ribbon cable into its connector on the top cover and secure with its locking bar. Press the top cover onto the unit until all tabs have snapped into place. Replace the 6 long P1 Phillips head screws to the bottom of the unit to secure the top cover to the unit.